Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. This is a problem for exam P on probability. A fire in an apartment building results in a loss X to the owner and a loss Y to the tenants. The variables X and Y have a bivariate normal distribution with mean of X equal to 40. The variance of X equal to 76, the mean of Y equal to 30, variance of Y equal to 32, and variance of X given that Y equals 28.5 equal to 57. Calculate the variance of Y given that X is equal to 25. So the important thing to remember about the bivariate normal distribution is that we know quite a lot about the conditional distribution of one variable given a specific value of the other. In this case, the most important part is that the variance of Y given that X is equal to some specific value, little x, is 1 minus the square of the correlation coefficient times the variance of Y. And then variance of X given that Y is equal to a specific value, little y, is 1 minus the correlation coefficient squared times the variance of X. More generally, we actually know that the conditional distribution of Y given the value of X equal to little x is normal with mean mu sub y plus rho sigma y times x minus mu sub x divided by sigma sub x, and the variance that I just described. And the distribution of X given Y is equal to specific value little y is normal with mean mu sub x and plus rho times standard deviation of x times y minus mu sub y over sigma y, and with the variance that I just described. This is actually important that you memorize this. Note that this very important property in this is that the conditional mean is a linear function of that specific value of x that is known, that big X is equal to. Here we are given that 57 is the variance of X given that Y is equal to 28.5, but that's got to be equal to 1 minus the square of the correlation coefficient times 76. So that 1 minus the square of the correlation coefficient of X and Y is 57 over 76. And then the variance of Y given that X is equal to 25 is 1 minus the square of the correlation coefficient, so 57 over 76 times the variance of Y, which is given as 32, and if you multiply it out, that comes out to be 24. So the question was really about you knowing this fact about the conditional distribution under the assumption of bivariate normal distribution, and you need to know this for the test. That's answer B, by the way. 24 is answer B. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem comes from a Society of Actuaries and belongs to a Society of Actuaries, but the solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.